Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need IntelliJ running with a valid JDK and your project open. First, install Sonarlint via Settings Right Arrow plugins, then restart if prompted. Once done, open Settings Right Arrow Tools Right Arrow Sonarlint to confirm the plugin is active. Make sure your project SDK matches the codebase because Sonarlint uses IDE parsing. Now you're ready to bind a project or configure standalone rules. Proceed immediately to connect rules or keep inspections local depending on your workflow. You'll now link Sonarlint to a Sonar Quebec/Sonar cloud server or use local rules. In connected mode, add server URL, token, then select the server project to sync quality profiles. Doing this ensures consistent rules. If you prefer, disable connected mode and tailor rule severity locally for quick iteration. Next, adjust file exclusions and languages so irrelevant files aren't analyzed. Make sure to save and trigger a manual update so rule changes apply to your workspace immediately. Run Analyze Right Arrow Inspect code or rely on on-the-fly highlights to see issues in the editor. You'll find detailed descriptions and remediation guidance in the Sonarlint tool window. Click an issue to jump to the line and apply a quick fix or refactor. After fixing, rerun analysis to confirm resolution, then commit. If problems persist, check the Sonarlint event log and ensure the server token and project key match. That troubleshooting tip resolves most sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.